afternoon, everyone. For today's video, we will be discussing to you an example of a website that provides accessible interface. Our instructor wants us to make a video where we should discuss a website or an application that provides accessible interface. But before anything else, let's define what is accessible interface is. So, what is accessible interface? An accessible interface design is the one that is accessible to all users. It is also allow people to interact and use interfaces. So what are the principles for an accessible interface? First, it should be perceivable, that you can obviously know what website is that just by looking at the name or a logo. Second, it should be operable. The app or a website should function well and go smoothly. Third, it should be understandable. The app or website should be easy to understand just by looking at it. And last, it should be robust. It should be good for any users that uses this kind of website or an application. It is good for teens, kids, or even oldies. So what is the site about? So me and my partner chose a website, and this site about is a game. We choose the game Scribble. So what is Scribble? Scribble means to write or draw. This game is a multiplayer drawing and guessing game. This game will enhance your knowledge, and at the same time it is fun. It would be perfect game for the kids or the young ones. How to play this game? First, you need to go to your browser, any kind of browser available in your laptop, PC, or even your phone. Then search Scribble and then enter. And after that, click the first one. And now you can see the design of this game. Colorful, isn't it? And pleasing to the eyes. You will see at the top corner a box that says enter a name. Click that and enter any name since it's optional. Then click the play button. After you click that button, you will be directly to the game publicly. In the left corner, as you see, there are the players of the games. Since it's a public game, the players are totally strangers. Unlike the private room, you can play it with your closest friends, family, and even your classmates. You can send them the link of the private room whom you created. One game consists of a few rounds in which every round someone has to draw their chosen word, and others have to guess it to earn points. So when it's your turn to draw, you will have to choose from the options and visualize it in 80 seconds. Alternatively, when someone else is drawing, you have to chat your guess in the chat box, which located at the left side corner of the game. The person who has the high points of the game is crowned as the winner. So be quick. The earlier you guess the word, the higher points you get.
What are the common tasks that the user do? So, the common task that the user do is first, pick your name. This is what I mean. So, upon picking a name, don't use full name or any personal details. Bear in mind that it is public. If you don't type a name, the site will generate a random one for you, like Happy Tree or a bus driver. You can also select language to play the game. This is the language. And choose a character how you look like. For example, one person will draw at a time, and you take all. One person will draw at a time, and you all take it in turns. It is unlikely that it will be your turn as soon as you start. So be patient and contribute by guessing other people's picture. Okay. So, on the top, there should be a green thumbs up. For example, this thumbs up, and a red for thumbs down. You can use them to show if you like or dislike the image being drawn. Also, you have an unlimited amount of guessing a word if you get it wrong, so you can guess it again. For example, cup. Cup is wrong. For example, bed. Bed is wrong. When guessing, just type the word. It won't register as correct if you type it in a group of words or misspell. Example, I think this is a tree. I think this is a tree. So, by typing, I think this is a tree, it is wrong. Instead, you just type it in a one word only, tree. Wow. So, the correct answer is forest. Start drawing your image. Draw the image as clearly as you can, and only draw something relating to the chosen word. If you draw something inappropriate or hesitate to draw, there is a chance you can get boot kicked. If they are not satisfied with your image, you can press the little picture on the bin on the side and it will clean the page as you can. Start your drawing again. Both kick which user is drawing if they are misbehaving or making you uncomfortable with their drawings. After certain of people both kick somebody, they will be kicked from the game. How does the website or system or app support the user with these abilities? So in this question, the system or application is supported with these abilities by enhancing their talents and can improve their visualizing skills through this website. It can be also a way to forget their problems in terms of being a disabled person. And last but not the least, this website is super good on design. So if you have a problem on your eye, for example, colorblind, don't worry. This website is fits for you. This website use high contrast between text and a background. So by that way, you can easily see what are the colors that you pick to draw when it's your turn.